X5 two-stage. I can remove the sweeps, but my pals want a little bit of the two-stage love, so we're gonna do that. X5, no removal of the sweep. Fucking nightmare if you ask me. We remove 99% of the sweeps because it's just better, faster, efficient, no BS. But a lot of people that don't like to do that, this video is just for you. Okay, so we are going to do check shrink, meaning we are going to heat shrink the bottom because it will have a curve, and if it doesn't, I don't give. And it does. There it is. From my experience from doing so many of these vehicles, I do see them with shrink needed. So, bum, bum. Okay, so let's get this guy here. My pad here. This is a type of car that you're gonna see like, hey man, I got an X5 or more or anything to look out for. Yep, every fucking thing you gotta look out for. If you can graduate some of these from any tint school with no successfully, you know, one of these windows successfully, I will gift you a dirty pouch because you're just gonna be that good. This is a no joke of a job. Somebody inboxed me from Latin America, said, man, can you do some videos in Spanish? Este vehículo es muy difícil. No sé si hay BM5 en México, en Latinoamérica, no sé si hay 5 allá, pero si acaso hay, van a estar súper difícil. Very difficult. Van a tener pesadillas de esta mierda cuando estén haciendo sexo con su otra persona. Van a estar hablando de mí, like, oye amor, viste a Dirty haciendo esa ventana two-stage sin ningún problema. Ese X5 es un nightmare. And yep, it's gonna be that good, man. You guys are gonna have me in your dreams. Okay, ahorita les voy a mostrar. I'm gonna show you a little bit about some of the challenges we're gonna face with this thing. Okay, so usen el rubber. Use the rubber on the side as a guide and just ride it with one click like this. Ride it all the way up, así mismo. Don't dig your blade into the thing, you know. A lot of people prematurely finish off a lot of it's rusty not because of anything, it's stainless, but I put muriatic acid here for some project I was doing and fucking burned it up. So anyway, toda la orilla ahí, ride the rail, meaning right here on the side. Use it on the side and then just go ahead and use the usen el filo de la navaja. Use this sharpness of the blade to cut the film. When people start doing this and start digging into the glass, that's when you break this and then you start doing jaggedy fucking horseshit cuts on there, and then you start blaming the quality of the blade and all that. It's not that, it's just that they're not being used properly. No lo están usando apropiadamente y les echan la culpa a la navaja. La navaja es navaja, el mono es el bueno. Okay, I miro. All good there. We're gonna two-stage it, so I'm gonna do this right here. Use my fuel ward. Let me get my blade off and lash. There you go. Tenía la navaja en la boca, no podía hablar bien. All right. Ponemos este chico ahí. Ok, el problema aquí son varios, ¿no? The problems are several. why it's so difficult and all that stuff. Ay, me lo se cae. I'm going to show you right now what's going on with that. Vamos a usar obviamente el filo del vidrio y el polarizado, alinearlos. We're going to align them. When they are aligned, that means that you have a straight pattern going on. That way you don't have to be relying on checking outside to see if it's straight or not. I do recommend you do it anyway. Vamos a ver. Oh, ok. No les había dicho, ¿verdad? Está hondo para adentro. Aquí está el plástico. So let me go on the inside. Outside, I'm sorry. So the problem here is you can see that there is a plastic, and so there is more way to go in there. Crunchy City, Creek City, and all other cities you can imagine in there. So si tienen un tool para meter para adentro, les va a ayudar mucho para limpiarlo, for cleaning it and for application. So you can see that this is not reaching all the way in, and that's where my other tools are going to come into play, ¿verdad? So let's go ahead and do that all the way in. These people came from out of town. They didn't know I was closed today, and I was doing my fence. I'm almost done with my fence. And they were like, hey, Dirty, help me out. And I, fuck, man. I'm a sucker for money. Who isn't? Okay. So este todo para adentro, all the way in, y se limpia bien, ¿no? It's very tight there, that I felt it right there. So let me go ahead and start, see if I can kind of like popping it open a little bit. Para no batallar. That's the reason I rounded that thing right there, because of that right there. It's going to be a little bit of a problem, no? Okay, so todo para adentro, all the way down. Make sure it's clean. We're good. Okay, aquí adentro, ¿ves? Right here. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's clean. Gonna do this. And algo por ahí, ¿no? Vamos a ver. Wish me luck. I haven't two-stage in a long time, because once you learn how to remove sweeps, haz de cuenta, you never go back to this horrible scenario of two-staging. Okay, vamos. Con mucha finesse, ¿no? Mucha cautela. A lot of finesse. Okay. Mucha calidad. Y vamos a entrarle. Okay. I don't like to bite that from there, so let me bite it from here. And let's do that. Okay. Lo dejamos ir. Aquí mero. Aquí vamos a hacerlo juntos. We're going to do this together on the tube, and we'll see what the hell's going on with that two-stage thing. A ver si comes out of perfection the way that I like my things to come out. For the customer, of course, and for me. Okay, we're there. No tocar nada, no touchy, no touchy. Empezarlo de aquí. All right. Drive it as much as you can in there. Okay. Ahora esto de aquí, pull it this way, like you see me do on every single vehicle. We're gonna fold this in because it needs help. Pull this in and then do that way. I am busy, so. Oh, okay. Thank you, buddy. We'll see you. Okay, thank you. You can go out through that door, the third one. Thanks, buddy. The dirty tool guy right there. He's the one that mails your stuff, so if something is missing, it's him. Later, buddy. Okay, we're there. I looked at the outside. It's looking good. Okay. Distribution, of course, is still in play. Very important. This can be done faster, of course, but right now, for step reasons, we're gonna go ahead and do a slow-mo. So you guys can get all these steps recorded. Okay. Okay. Oh, a ver. See what's going on here. Okay, de calidad, we're talking about quality so much. Look at the corner. Flawless, no bites, no creases, no nada. Okay, so just dip in there one last time. A little bit this way. Aquí. Oh, mira, I didn't show you this over here. No les quiero mentir. Ahí está. Toda esta orilla con madre, limpiecito, no problemas. Clean, no problem, no fuck. Alright. All the way up. A lot of finesse, mucha fineza. Paciencia, por favor. Okay. There it is. So, vamos a agarrarlo así, jalarlo. Ahí está el material, lo voy a guardar aquí, ¿ok? Por un segundo, voy a hacer así para que. I'm gonna do that so it can be easy to do the folding here that I'm gonna need to do right there. Carry it up, fold it in there, maneuver it, and more maneuver it. I'm gonna open this with my trusty tool that I use in every video. Ahí está. If it's folded, you're gonna be golden. No hay que preocuparse. If it's folded, you're gonna be good with no problem, okay? So le abrimos y le bajamos, ¿no? Le abrimos y le bajamos. Okay, esto ya para adentro, para allá. Aquí lo vamos a bajar despacito. I did tell you it was tight as fuck in there, so it's still tight as fuck. I'm opening it with my trusty tool and sliding it in. And ya está todo adentro. It's all the way in as far as that goes. So I'm gonna do this, do that, do that. Out, straight, and out. Yeah. Okay, now go ahead and use this tool. Get the water out from the side. I'm gonna pop this open because it's really tight. And then my tool is gonna do this right here. And bam. Carl the Tint Kid, bam. Ahí está, okay? There, I'm gonna pop this open here in the bottom with this. So that my tool can go in there. And then all the way down like that, as you can see. ¿Lo miran bien? See it? Okay. And bam. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. This process of two staging. A ver si salió bien por fuera. Okay, put this guy where he belongs before we check that out. All right, so vamos a ver la orilla. The side right here, love and behold, there's nothing in the crease or crinkle or nothing. Everything went good. Same shit right here. No creases, no crinkles. It's about 1/16 of an inch off the side. It's a little bit this way, 1/16, but I can't see it. Customer can't see it. It's fucking badass on the bottom, rounded. perfect. Everything came out beautiful. I hope this two-stage method of installation helped you guys. I haven't done one of these very difficult two-stage since an Audi A8 like 2 years ago or something. So there is your other video. Hit a like, subscribe if you haven't already. All my videos are free, and if you see these videos and kind of like mimic and practice all this kind of stuff, there's no reason you guys can't do this same type of window. Guys, have a great day, and we'll see you next time. GoPro, stop recording.